Nolly, say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
You gonna wave?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, you try and give her hugs. Good job.
Thank you, Nolly. Big
You
hugs. Nolly. Mwah. Mwah. Uh-huh.
Nolly, Mommy, Daddy are eating.
I know. Grandma called to talk to Nolly because she's not feeling well. Are you sick?
Yeah.
You look really good to be sick.
I will do chicken soup.
Oh,
You need chicken soup and orange juice.
okay.
I need chicken soup.
Oh, that is what you said. You gonna... Nolly, you talk so fast. You're sick? How are you doing with your potty? Are you using a potty?
Daddy's feet are right there.
You using the potty?
Yeah.
You're a big girl.
I'm big enough.
You're a big girl now.
You are a big girl.
You all done? You don't want any more noodles?
No, I want you.
Yogurt's gone.
The yogurt's gone, Daddy. All the yogurt is gone.
Yeah.
Is the noodles gone?
No, I don't
You're not going to eat anymore?
I don't eat those.
Are you going to eat your noodles?
No, I'm done.
You going to show Grandma what a big girl you are by eating your noodles?
So good, so.
So like Grandma eat them? Huh?
Show Grandma how you take a bite. Grandma wants to see you take a bite.
Oh, you're such a big girl. Look at you.
She can't breathe.
No.
I know her nose is stuffy.
Like you?
Your nose?
Hey, Grandma.
Hey, Nolly.
Hi.
Hi. Does she have a fever, Shay?
I think it got up to like 102 today.
102.5.
Chili shit.
And then we gave her...
Now, I know y'all don't even know what she said that time.
She said chicken soup and Tootie and something about Audrey. Audrey and Naomi. Those are her friends.
Oh, my goodness. Nolly, you are amazing.
Did we go see Naomi and Audrey the other night? Yeah, we played and you played dress up. I watched Yo Gabba, Grandma.
Oh, Yo Gabba. Can you sing the Yo Gabba song?
Yo, Gabba Gabba.
No.
Oh.
No.
Poopa. Think you're happy. Tootie.
Roby.
Brody. The little green one. Tootie. Tootie sick. Flag.
Robot. Mommy silly?